Good morning, students. I think you are staying fit and healthy at your homes. Today, we will read the poem Noses. As you can see here in the unit 2, there are two chapters. First one is poem and second is The Little Furry lesson 2. The poem Noses is written by Aline Fisher. Let's start to sing it. I looked in the mirror and looked at my nose. It is the funniest thing, the way it grows. इन 4 लाइनों में पोइट कहती है कि एक छोटी बच्ची ने जब शीशे में देखा तो उसने पाया कि उसकी नाक सबसे कम मजाक वाली चीज़ है, जिसका मजाक बनता है और जिस तरीके से ये बढ़ती है तो उसे ये नाक बड़ी अजीब सी लगती है. Stuck right out where all of it shows with two little holes where the breathing goes. और ये उसके फेस पर एकदम सीधी चिपकी हुई है जहाँ से दो छोटे छोटे होल्स क्लियरली दिखाई देते हैं, जहाँ से आप सांस लेते हो, जहाँ से हवा आपके अंदर आती और जाती रहती है. That means nose is helpful in breathing. Next, I looked in the mirror and saw in there the end of my chin and the start of my hair. Again, जब छोटी लड़की ने शीशे में देखा तो क्या पाया कि उसकी ठोड़ी को कहाँ होती है बेटा आपके फेस पे? लिप्स और नेक के बीच का जो पार्ट होता है वो आपकी चिन यानी ठोड़ी कहलाता है. कहती है कि मेरी ठोड़ी का अंतिम सिरा और मेरे बाल, एंड बिटवीन देयर isn't much space to spare with my nose like a handle sticking there. कहती है बालों, ठोड़ी और मेरे इन दोनों के बीच में जी बिल्कुल स्पेस नहीं है नोज़ के लिए. ये एक हैंडल की तरह वहाँ पर चिपकी हुई है. इफ़ एवर यू वांट टू गिगल एंड शाउट एंड कैन नॉट थिंक ऑफ व्हाट टू डू इट अबाउट. और यदि आप ये हंसना चाहते हो या चिल्लाना चाहते हो तो मुझे लगता है कि आप ये जानना चाहोगे कि ये कैसी लगती है. सो जस्ट लुक इन द मिरर and then no doubt you will see how funny your nose sticks out. तो जैसे ही तुम्हारा हंसने का मन करे या चिल्लाने का मन करे तो शीशे में देखिए और इसमें कोई शक की गुंजाइश नहीं है कि तुम पाओगे कि जो तुम्हारी नाक है कैसे बाहर की तरफ निकली हुई है. Did you like this poem? Yes, I think you will like it. I am giving you a brief summary of this poem, Noses. This poem is all about the nose and a tiny girl when she looked in the mirror and she found her nose the most comical thing as it grew in a different way and it stuck absolutely correct place on her face with having two little nostrils through which she can breathe easily. Next, when she looked in the mirror, she again found there that the end of her chin. Chin is a part between your lips and neck. And she also looked at her hair. She found that there was not much space for her nose because it looked like a handle. If any time in third stanza, if ever you want to giggle and shout, if any time you want to laugh loudly or cry loudly to see what happens to your nose, you are just to go to mirror and look in that, and no doubt, without any doubt, you will find that your nose is the most comical thing which sticks out of your face. That's all about the poem. I think you will like it and you can sing it and learn it at your homes. Now I have some new words for you. You can see here questions also, but we will discuss them later. I am giving you meanings of these difficult words. First one is mirror. Mirror means looking glass in which you can see your image. Funniest means the most comical. Next is breathing, the process of moving air in and out, or respiration. Next is sticking, that means to fix or to paste. Next, giggle means to laugh in a silly way. That's all for the day. I think you have understood the poem, how to sing it, and new words. We will meet in next video with your questions, answers, and exercise. Till then, bye.